Hello guys, welcome everyone to my new video. Today we are going to unbox the iPhone 16 Pro. The device was introduced September 9, 2024 and it is the Apple's most powerful smartphone ever, as well as the best device for photography and videography. Apple has made two generation leap with the iPhone 16 chipset, as the phone is powered by the A18 chip. This chipset has undergone extensive fine-tuning and development, fully supporting artificial intelligence.
Did you really think I loved you? It's like you always wanna hold you with me. God, don't be naive. I don't wanna leave, but you just can't keep me focused. Only reason why I left is your heart is frozen. Girl, you always solve problems, and you just never solve them, 'cause you always in drama. It's alarming, it's alarming. Girl, I just need clarity. Can you just let me breathe?
The iPhone 16 Pro is dust, splash and water resistant, thanks to the latest generation ceramic shield material. It features an exceptionally durable design. The biggest innovation of the new series is the new button on the right side. A single press captures photos, the long press records videos. Swiping on the button allows you to adjust settings like exposure and depth of field, as well as switch between lenses and different digital zoom levels. Thanks to an optimized internal design, a larger battery has been incorporated. Combined with the A18 Pro chip, it ensures exceptional energy efficiency even with numerous new features.
Girl, you always solve problems, and you just never solve them, 'cause you always in drama. It's alarming, it's alarming. Girl, I just need clarity. Can you just let me breathe? Oh, I don't wanna let you in, but it's too late now.
On the home screen, you can customize the icon colors, rearrange them, and resize both apps and widgets to your liking.
It's like you always wanna hold you with me. God, don't be naive.